Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, good night, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful night, anywhere you are, wonderful day, wonderful evening, anywhere you're watching from. So, tonight, as you see, the cars, as you can see, the streets, from your seats loading with cars, you know where I'm at. When you come on to this night, market night, grand market night. So, I'm recycling, so I'm bringing back some stuff for some bottles for Yaya and also Empress Melissa, for them skincare product as well to on the external, so guys, are always good to recycle. So if you're one of them that gets stuff from Yaya or Empress, you can also recycle the back to them whenever you're coming back. You also get a discount for recycling. So the thing goes already. So tonight, like it's some live performance going on, it's quite packed tonight, for sure there's a lot of cars here tonight. So let's go see what's going on inside tonight. All I can see. Yeah. I want to get myself 2 doubles tonight. Right now I'm feeling for 2 doubles. Yeah, so ever since I went to Trinidad and I had the doubles there, it's like I just cannot have enough of Trinidadese. So that's my first thing I'm going to have tonight. Is some doubles. I don't think I'm going to have any of that sun stuff here tonight. I'm going to have 2 doubles because I already had something to eat earlier, so I'm not that empty. So something's small. You can hear the drumming inside. Listen. So let's take inside, right? So come on. Hello, how you doing? You alright?
You know who I am?
Of course, we already met around there already.
Around where?
Yeah.
Oh, no, Kino.
Of course, they gave me a donation already for Cranberry.
Oh, no, Kino.
No, so me a mistake for guy. Listen, right now I'm mistaken. You sure? You're trying to trick me, right?
No, I'm not.
You're trying to trick me. For real?
I'm Carol.
Oh, from Kiwanis. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yes, because I heard you're in Jamaica. Yes, Charmaine, tell me.
Yes.
My apologies, guys. This is Great Kiwanis. This is Carol, from Kiwanis. My apology. You look like that lady I saw the last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh my days. My apology, Miss Charmaine. I went into Carol here, Kiwanis, pick up himself in the place, night market night, No matter what love. How are you doing? You alright?
I'm fine.
Yeah. I was like, why she look like someone else, So jobbing going on and stuff. Maroon. Oh, Maroon.
Singers.
Oh, I'm going to catch your Maroons them.
Yeah.
Alright then, so I'll catch up, yeah?
Okay, bye.
Let me go catch your Maroons.
Yeah, man.
These guys are Maroons them in town.
Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? 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 Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? 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 Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kala where you been there? Ibo Kalana Kabamba. Ibo Kala where you been there? Jump, 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 jump.
Check, check, check. Calling Miss Haya to the stage, please. Calling Miss Hyacinth to the stage.
I don't see this idiot. I love it. I love it.
Check, 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 check. Alright, so they are not finished with Sizzla as yet. So we're gonna go ahead and have, we're gonna have Fred Lux come forward. Unless Mr. Perry objects to that. It's all finished. It's all finished. Oh, alright. Hold on the Fred Lux. Hold on the Fred Lux. So Mr. Perry said just a few seconds and then we can award Dada with there we go. Okay. Alright. So Miss Mac, we're ready for you. Miss Haya, we're ready for you.
My mood is there, different colors.
Boys to challenge, uplift, and transform with fire in his lyrics and love in his mission. He continues to blaze trails for reggae and Rastafari. We honor him for his tireless devotion to the people. Judgment Yard is where we know Sizzla Kalonji, aka Dada. We honor thee, we give thanks to you and praises for turn it, let the people see. There we go. Alright, so we give thanks, Dada, for all your contributions to the reggae music and your contributions to the people themselves overall. Much love with the reggae music. Run the thing.
Thank you very much. Hey. Kingston Night Market, one of the greetings in the name of the Most High. Hey, no, I've been here all days of my life. Work through that a choir on the road with my sight. Some we share, others do as they like. Some may touch the press, the one out here we call them. Hey, Maroon said, some don't play the it like ice. Waiting to see a for Rastafari in the firm. Everyone deserves to word, so let's crown your soul with success. Hard in the firm. On the table of the turn. Chat out I'm rude with an attitude, yeah. We no do so, we no lose, so tell them go on their ways. Money is the order of your day. Truth in your way, that won't say, hey. What you come to do, I'm true, well them. You this making Selassie in gloom. All the secrets I don't know. Mother Moses, me till like a roses, all in the world. Everyone deserves to earn, so let's crown us all with success. Earth in the world, and them table of return. Hey, well that's a praise his job. Elie para, King of kings, and it's a praise, a praise. Hey, pull out. How you feeling? How you feeling? I want to say thank you very much for representing yourselves. I want to say congratulations to the Maroon family, Rastafari family, and all the beautiful natives of the country. You know this. They can't keep a good man. Always keep a joy when they want us to. I kept the vibe and I still mine. You can't say that. Oh, tablets, I say. Things getting better when they Africa. Here comes the officers, they're asking for it. Big up our beautiful people in Jamaica all over the world. Hey, 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 Rastafari, solid as a rock. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa. So we say, beat said, move around. It's not you now. Ooh, 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 ooh. People when they set up roadblocks, they just can't. Even when they set up their traps. Madam Secretary Jackie for the Maroon community. Hey, well, cause when they come with the evil assault, I just listen whenever they talk. Taste the light into my dark. Attack on my part. They fight you without the cause and trying to make your life so hard. King of kings and the lords of lords. Hey, Rastafari family, it's all leaders. They just can't stop you now. Hey, people will say this and that, they just can't. Are you feeling? Hey, hey, hey. And the movie they set their traps, just can't stop you now. Hey, hey. People when they set up their traps, they just can't stop you now. What's up, big up all the beautiful ladies, big up all the beautiful mothers. Rastafari, the young people, hey, woman I need you, like African, somebody say yes, this is the Kingston night market, such a bright market. Big up culture and Nanny, Marcus Garvey, Prince Emmanuel and Selassie. Woman I need you, like African. Hey, I'll put it up one more time. You pause a bit. I gotta say something to you. Are you listening? Are you listening? Well, you know I've done the culture salute down by Flagstaff. You know what I'm talking, right? Yeah. And we're at St. James and we're about to do the Quao Native Festival in St. Mary. And we're about to do the Nanny Festival. Everything for Maroon and Rastafari and poor people, all people. That's what we'll be doing, alright? So coming 1st of August, St. Mary's Catsal. For the headquarters at the primary school, Catsal Primary School, you're going to have the Quao Native Festival. We've done the culture salute for the Maroons, the Leeward. So we're going to do the Quao Native Festival, and we're linking up with Colonel Sterling from Moortown, Portland, and Padam, Chief Padam, along with Madam Secretary Jackie and the Maroons and Rastafari family, just to get things perfect for you to know what's happening. We have a rich history unspoken. So thank you very much for your patient listening and of attention. Holy Emmanuel, please be welcome. Let's go. One more to go. I would need more things like this to be happening for the people, alright? Turn it up. Hey, a woman I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one I adore. Hey, mama, hey, woman I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one I adore. I need you like never before. Hey, 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 hey. What? Don't you matter what the people might say, black woman, you're my everything. I need you, girl, every night and day to be with you, that's the very thing. Oh, so let us be together, goodness is what I refer. Look on the joy, hey, 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 and life is so much better. Oh, 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 big up all the mothers right now. Friends, came and tell the words, listen girl, I'm the one that you deserve. So let me take you by your hands, about a month we'll walk this earth. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, woman, I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one I adore. I need you. All of the males, them want to the bus a blank for the woman, them. Bus a blank. So no one on here. Run it down. Run it down and put it up. Give us a party. Hey, all who love them mother hands in the air. You ready again? Jamaica, as Sizzla say, thank you mama for the 9 months you carry me through. All the pain and no one knows the story of all just only you. Hell no, you're being say, thank you mama for the 9 months you carry me through. Ebo Shanti, Ethiopia, Orthodox, no one knows the story of all. Hey, 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 12 times to the Coptic, yo, hey. Mama, I would never let you down. I'll never go away. Always be around. You know how you done it, just to love what you found. Always gonna let you wear that crown through the rope a few times. You maintain the conjure was the rowdy help. I set you from the storm. And when it's cold, you're wrapping it so it's so warm, warm, warm. Hey, 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 where's it the same? Black woman and child, yeah, yeah. Hey. Thank you very much. And down to the fact that we're here, we still have to give credence to our elders. Bobo Shanti, you got to maintain the mountain and keep it clean because the people will be coming there. Naya Bindi, you got to maintain the principle. And to the Maroons, and big respect also to the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. And people, you must see into the matter of the Haile Selassie High School in Painland, alright? So, we're exploring the sacred spaces and we're preserving them. So once again, thank you very much for being here and for representing the country. We the people are the power. Rastafari. So, as a young sister brother, several miles of black starlighters coming in. Black starlighters coming in. I can see them coming. I can see hydrant rolling. I can hear the elders say, these are the days of the several miles of black starlighters coming in. Take it, Rastafari. Take it, collaborate. Black starlighters coming. The black starlighters coming. Tell them again that you're ready. Several miles of black starlighters coming in. Several miles of black starlighters coming in. I can see them coming. I can see hydrant rolling. I can hear the elders say, you know the days we've been praying and saying, several miles of black starlight coming in the harbor. Several miles of black starlight coming in the hey, hey, 7 miles, put away the anger, black people give me a smile. Remember now, you're an African child, a Rastafari in a big profile. A Kingston market, 7 miles of black starlighters coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the black starlighters coming in the harbor. 7 miles of black starlighters coming in the harbor. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in. Marcus Garvey told ya, freedom is a man. Told us that the Black Star Line is coming one day for us. So sing with me again. South Black Star Line coming in. Hey yo, put up that one, put up that one. You know what, Sizzla?
So, what's that?
This is called police gate driving.
You're police now? Wait, 7? You're police now? Wait, 7. What are going on? Lock up the bad ones, them.
No way, I'm looking for a terrifying monster. His name is Shin Sonic.
Okay. Melissa, good night.
Hey, I'm here, Melissa. Hey.
Melissa, I'm here. So I'm on the recycle duty tonight. So I got this for Melissa.
No.
Recycling tonight. Then Yaya Looney Plus right here. Right. Recycling too? And we have Miss Lily over here.
Recycling Miss Lily?
Yeah.
I'm going to charge you a little bit more now.
Hey.
We have Kino?
Yes.
Yeah, you know Kino?
Hello.
You know what you're
I watch Kino.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. So here's the Lily. So these are one.
It's free sister to the Kino.
Well, wow. Hello, sisters.
Yeah, you see what life is going on. We have to work ourselves. I'm 70. Look at our skin, Kino. Not even
Same thing. Lie. Yeah.
on the table, just flying out.
You? 75. Lie.
No crack, Kino.
No crack.
No crack. Don't touch them, Kino.
Burn. No, sir. What's the remedy? Give me the remedy.
Yeah.
Give me
Just
the
have a good heart.
good heart.
And smile. Yeah.
Yeah, but I always tell them more that the good
Yes.
heart and smile.
Yes.
Wow. And plus with this product you get in, wow, extra. Same
I
thing.
don't usually use anything on Facebook. I'll try this.
Yeah, we usually use just nothing at all. Just water. And the water.
When I was young, I used to use Noxzema. A teenager, I never get pimples.
Never.
Never get pimples.
And very inspiring. See that, yeah. Smile. You hear that guy? Smile.
Yes.
Smile a while and give the face a rest. You know, and make sure inside is clean and conscious,
A lot of times I
positive.
walk in the road and I smile, people say, you know me? I said, no, I'll give you a smile.
Just giving a smile, exactly. So that is the way, is to smile. Yeah, man, smile is the way.
Yeah.
Of course. That's why I like keep smiling, you know, because I know that brings something.
I didn't realize it's so tall.
Are the slippers? Slippers of inches. Yeah, the slippers. I always blame it on the slippers or the shoes that I'm wearing. Why am I so tall? It was nice meeting you, and thank you so much for
Always
watching.
watch your TikTok.
And thank you so much for watching, you know. Alright, yeah, I'm still have more things for you, you know.
You're still a
Yeah, man, still a recycle. Dandelion there. Dandelion there. And I have one more. One more. Will you lock up now, 7? Alright, so you can put this food in that bag. Just in that bag. Because, what am I going to get tonight? You have the more coconut water right here, yeah? Yeah? You have any coconut water right here?
This is my friend.
I have to go to the bar.
The baker, you hear?
Alright, so I'm going to want a Nuni Plus. Yeah. And what me get again? What?
No, these
Oh,
are
dark
my
chocolate.
favorite kinds. You hear? Yeah, man.
Nuni Plus and a dark chocolate. You have the more already.
You're a friend, man. So next time I see you, it's one chicken.
Yeah. That big cake though, over there so look like the one we get in the cupcake though.
Oh my God.
That old Mel? Well, we're gonna talk business when we're done. As I need some of that to go right. There'll be a nut buster out there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't get a nut.
Yeah, the lady waiting.
You have the sip out there too.
Watch ya. Are you Akina, your friend?
Of course. Thank you. No. I'm a friend. Hello.
It's a similar easy. It's a few ladies there. Two ladies there.
If I'm going to say hello, Kino.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin man.
You're really not going good.
7. Should I wander around here, so? Yeah.
So the one every 7. So when we reach home, the one day I get tucked down. So when you want your cake, she's the right person. Make the best Jamaican food cake. The best Jamaican food cake.
Art is nice, man.
Nice, like, you know.
Evan?
No, he leave on the roof.
Wow.
Tina, I'm on the roof.
Oh, so we're going to do a jump off?
Oh, this is
Walking on it.
Put another bag there.
It's because of you that made me see him. Oh my
I'm good, man.
goodness. You gotta put me on your video.
Of course, there's the video. Come on, come on. Hello, everyone.
Oh my God, this is me on Kino.
Finally meet.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to comment too.
Of course.
I watch you all the time.
Thank you so much.
I'm telling you, I'm so happy that you did this. But guess what? I see him. That's my cousin.
Is your cousin?
Yes.
What?
I see something.
Imagine Kira, and you will check out the kids.
The kids.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. That's magnificent. That's magnificent.
I'm so happy that you did it. I'm like, we watch Grandpa Belch.
Yeah.
We watch the guy where you eat the
food from
yes.
Son's Cafe.
And don't forget the one downtown.
Yes.
I swear.
Ivo Spice.
Yes, Ivo Spice. We haven't reached there yet. Another time we're going to Ivo Spice.
Sure. Pick up Ivo Spice.
Big up Ivo Spice. Big up Ivo Spice. What's the first
I'm telling you, I'm so happy. And I'm glad to meet you. I'm a celebrity. Look for Mallory's. That's me.
Yeah?
Yes, Mallory's. I always come in. Yes.
Is she your sister?
Melissa, that's my mom.
Oh, your mom?
Yes.
Wow. Lie.
Yeah, that's his auntie. Where's Dee is home.
Oh, Dee is in Africa
building
now.
her home. I'm watching her too.
She's building her mansion now.
Yes, like her brother.
Yes. She's building her mansion.
I watch Yes. And what's her name?
Cranberry. Esther.
Esther is away with her mom on her first flight.
Yes, in
God
New
bless.
York.
God bless. I saw them shopping. I keep up.
I know. She keep up. She keep up. Look at
I
that.
need one more. Would you believe that? Yeah, because that one went down the toilet. I'm going to be a celebrity.
Yeah, she's celebrating tonight.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah, you know, because that's something here, because her brother, her son, and grew up.
Yeah.
So when Roger tell me, say, she hear Tanya talk about Keno. That's her really. That's the man international.
You're international.
Yeah, a lot of people, no?
And he has a lot of older subscribers too.
Yes.
Because I put her on.
Yes.
I put her on to Colors. I put her on to D-Manga. I put her to her brother Imara.
Oh.
And don't forget the lady that
Which one?
This one, the one downtown. Miss Lickle.
Oh, Miss Liquor Art Kitchen. Okay, yes.
Color than all of them.
Yeah, Colors and the team. Yes, man. Yeah, man, it happened. That's how the connection works, man. That's the universe.
But that's the thing. This is the thing. If everybody, the same people who subscribe to you, if they would just, like when you're doing a live, everybody come flooding. When they're doing a live, y'all all come flooding. personally. Do it like how they do chat.
Yeah,
do it
yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Where everybody's
Spread the love,
supporting
you know?
one another.
Yes.
And that's courage to do it. I can tell you that. And it's a lot of work. Yeah, it's like a round robin, but it's like there's a lot of work in this, like editing and creating and all that stuff. Trust me, it's not easy. It's tedious.
Just.
But I know, and I respect you guys, and I'm so grateful
Thank you so much.
for the space that you give us.
Yeah.
I'm grateful for it because I watch it. I'm at work all the time.
Thank you so much. The last time Chichin Ching see me, I'm like, where me know your face from? Remember? Yeah. I'm here say, go boys man. And he was like, no man.
For the block.
Yeah. And you're like, hey, you with your friend the washway at the river. I say, yeah, the man said, that's something.
I'm from Jamaica and I like it. We party every day. The sun is shining, that's the weather. The weather. Chiching! Chiching Ching representing for Kino Lifestyle in JA, Jamaica.
Yeah.
So, yo, if you want to check out Wagwan in Jamaica and some different sceneries.
Yeah.
And some different views and aspects and what's going on, check out Kino Lifestyle, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Ching!
Ching! Respect me, General, yeah?
Blessings, yeah, Empress.
Yeah. 7.
Hello, I can make so.
Give me a song, 7. Sing a song for me.
Not easy.
Not easy. You can sing a song for me, 7.
I'm going to see if it's coming.
Next time. Are you going to sing one for me next time, right? Alright guys, that is ching ching. You know that's ching ching, huh? So yeah, that's how it goes. So I'm here with Melissa getting my glow serum.
Glow serum.
Yeah, so I can glow some more.
Lily next, and now I'm doing an oil.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try the next one then. I'm gonna try Lily so many
try
times.
Black Orchid now.
Yeah. Try something else, you know. So tell them guys how my skin look.
Glowing.
Melissa says I'm glowing.
All the time.
All the time. So you know you can keep glowing. What one?
Yes, we had dig out the matter up on the hill.
Oh. Oh, you watch a video?
Yes, we had watch it, man. Dinos must be saying the shovel.
I dig out the matter.
Yes.
Yes, cool, man.
Yes, man.
Boom, school holiday now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're on holiday now?
Oh. Go look and come back.
Alright then, alright guys. So yeah, we have Boom here, we have Rasta Jackson. Yeah, go up a man, everybody. Yeah. Oh shit, there, same forward and prefect, same forward. 30 gonna work?
Yeah, man. The monster in down there. So.
Oh. Alright, that's good. So welcome guys to KNF in Jamaica. Tell me where things go. So we're there here. So like I'm see the tour, you know. I'm going on the richness, so I have food now. You know? Going on the richness, so I have food now. Oh, I'm worship as well too. Go up where so type of music. I hope not go to transpire. Go on the side there. I don't trust that music here. Yeah. If you don't know hear it. Yeah. If you don't know hear it. Yeah. I hope I worship for the mood people. Whoa! Alright, so boom. Boom, we have $9,000 here for you. From Barbara, from the USA. $9,000 from Barbara.
Barbara from the USA, blessing and one love and thanks. I check it, make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Blessing and one love, Barbara.
That's Barbara from the USA.
From the USA, blessing, one love, thanks.
And we have one for Rasta Jackson as well too, from Barbara from the US. $9,000.
Barbara from US, give thanks and praise every time, thanks every time. Blessed love every time. One team. Yeah, give up every time.
So count it so you can see clear.
Yes, Steve, yes, Barbara. Love you every time. More love. Yeah,
we have one for chunks, 30 grand. Where's I run the same that work?
Yeah, sure.
We're going to circle him there. And one for wow chef. Yes, Jerry. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Barbara from the US, you know, for blessing the members them. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for this blessing. It go a long way. And we thank you so much, you know. So apparently 30 grand just at the back of the yard, you know, I put in a little roast. You know, the thing goes already, they have to make ends meet. So I guess we can hear a little chipping and chiseling and go on. So 30 grand around here. I put in some work. 30 grand! Oh, go on. You dip on it? You dip on the hustle and the bustle. Oh, I'm there.
I pray.
I thought we get something like it on the hustle and the bustle.
I know that.
That's the one. Right, that's it.
Yeah, man. See, the teacher.
So 30 grand upon the hustle.
See?
And the bustle.
So we have to do it, man. Dirty work, alone dirty work, I do, man. You see me, I say, them there just go and do a little thing and help out my friend. I build up him little place. You see me, I say, just give him a little helping hand, because you don't know how to deal with it. Just like how Kino would come and say, come in, dream team. We there, we have a thing for go deal with. And we just say, alright, come in team, one team. You see me, I say, I'm going to do what we have to do, and that is it, man.
Alright then, so.
See me, I say?
So for the hustle and the bustle, we help out the dream team CM here. You have a don't know look out for you. CM here, she said $9,000 for you from Barbara from the USA.
Yeah, man, Barbara. Love and thanks, man, Barbara. You see me, I say, and appreciate very much, man. You see me, I say, because this is well needed right now to go fix my phone. You see me, I say, yeah, so love and appreciate it much. You see me, I say, so Barbara, thanks again. You see me, I say, yeah, so man, many thanks.
9,000. So count it, so it's 9.
You know. Yeah, 9, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thanks, man. You see me, I say, and Kino, you don't know, go and do the good work, say, dear father. You see me, I say, big up yourself. Dream team, one team. Yeah, that is
so
it.
give thanks to Barbara. So we have one for war chef now, so we got to look for war chef and then we head out.
So now we go up, so?
Yeah. Let's go and do what you have to do, man. Whoa! Come here, wow. Oh, still in the bag? Whoa, on him all pack. Put your shirt, when you reach 6 pack, then you can start show. Right now, you're on the letter O pack. You're on letter O pack. So, yeah, see the worship O, yeah? You're on O pack. 0 pack right now. Till them reach 1 pack. Then 2 pack, even though 2 pack pass away, so 1 fly past that, so you reach 6 pack, you know? Yeah. So them say more push up, more running, you know? Burn. And less rice.
Yes,
and stop eat late at night.
That I reach me more time, like about I'm going to make liquor and some rice and peas and fish, you know?
So late?
So I just stop bleeding more tonight, man, you see?
Yeah. Alright then.
Big up, you know?
Worship on the O pack, the letter O. So you have $9,000 a year for you? From Barbara from the US.
Barbara from the US. Barbara from the US. Thank you very much, you know. Love him, thanks. Because next week Friday, a pot of soup for boil next week Friday, you know. Yeah, man, the team, you know. See, next week Friday my birthday, so you know.
Yeah, next week Friday.
So, but there upon the ground, Barbara, enough love, blessed and love, you know. Thank you very much, you know.
And them say must continue work out the better CMA it'll come, you know.
Barbara, I work up the 6-pack, man. Because I come look a bit, you know. You see me, I say, I come look a bit, no, I work on it. Definitely work on it, you know. You see me?
Oh,
yeah,
right,
I must climb the hill, go up most, regular, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, Barbara, thank you very much. Blessed love, you know.
Guys, you know, so the whole chef said he's going to work on that whole pack for you, you know, and turn it to the 6-pack. So right now he's on 0-pack right now, so the more he work out, he'll reach 1-pack, 2-pack, 3, 4, 5, and 6-pack, you know, so blessed. So we're going to end up tomorrow to give charge the kids them dad a donation, you know, so that's what we're going to end to now. You know, everything goes there. So blessed love. So remember, guys, please to give the video the thumbs up. If you're watching and you haven't thumbs up as yet, you know, pause the video, go back, put the thumbs up, and then you can come back. And if you're one of them that are watching Killing Life in Jamaica, you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And then please remember that the Vivo channel will be out soon for my music. So guys, yes, I'm getting back into the music, so stay tuned for that. You know, so remember when the music out, and just go over there and subscribe on the Vivo channel, you know, and give the support, you know, the thing. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna head out right now, heading up to Mama Riverside. Oh, well, I'm gonna put on my seatbelt before I tell me, say, Q, I put on your seatbelt, you know, before I drive off. Seatbelt on, ready for the road. That's road. When I grew up on the wall.
It just grew up on the wall.
Yeah. Stick on. So you want to plant some next year wall? You want to plant some next year wall? You have to get it from the root. Yeah, we could have dig it out just from the roots here. Wow. Just arrived with a lot of traffic on the road, but we here give thanks. You know, we give thanks, we're here. So we're back at Marmy River, where everything takes place.
Has left the fans divided, with many criticizing the entertainment's vague responses and lack of engagement. The YouTube live interview with veteran journalist Hughes was highly anticipated, but viewers quickly expressed disappointment as the DJ gave brief one-line answers to questions about his background and career. Some fans suggested Alkaline appeared unprepared and uninterested, while others encouraged him to seek media treatment after his long absence from the spotlight. Despite the backlash, a few viewers defended the artist, calling him intelligent but out of practice after years of practice time.
Can smell the freshness of the water.
For the weather report will be a significant feature across Jamaica and no negatives driven across the Caribbean. A tropical wave is projected to move across Jamaica, facing the through to early afternoon.
Evening. Tara. Yeah, evening. I want to your hand. Oh, these things. Oh, Tara, high five. High five.
Just don't know that best. Yeah, man.
What a talker you. Wash out the box. As you can see, as usual, the kids are enjoying themselves in the water, you know, as usual. Yeah. Browning. What are you gonna say?
Now that can do no jump up.
Cover. Yeah, do some flashing charge. Eh? Where's the boom?
Two big one them run look one them fine.
Gone.
Take away two big one them. Well, that one was a Christmas. I met up by 3 today.
Alright guys, as you can see, the dad is dressing off the wall. You see him smoothing off the wall, granite in the wall. So here's what he's working with. Okay, so apparently the daddy said my work, but weakness. Hold you. You feel weak from this morning?
And this morning I fight me there, I fight it. And this morning I mixed up as well, go and do it, you know, see every time it dry up, I feel soft food up, man.
Yeah. Where your whole body feel weak, like when you want to sleep or something?
Yeah, lazy.
Lazy. You should have get some rest then, man. But you can't overwork yourself, because remember, you might think you're fit, but you're not fit yet, you know. You know? Yeah. Remember, you just come out as well the other day, and so nobody feel like you're fit yet.
You want it done.
Yeah, you know.
But the greatest thing when it's done, you have to day off.
Yeah, so you have
to done and you're not there.
So you still have to rest, see me.
Rest. No soup and porridge.
Yeah.
No rice and flour.
Build up back on the body.
Soup and porridge.
Like it shows so your body not build up yet, you know. That's why you feel so.
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, we run the sewage pipe. So this run now on the ground. Oh, it stop right here, so. So we get a bend.
Yes, we bend them on to the side from yesterday. And the wall through this today, so the pipe there, sometimes I just extend out the wall and bring it back wider too.
Oh.
Like the pipe tonight.
So you can bring it between that.
Yeah, I go between the tree and go down. Between the tree and the go down. When you go back down, you have to get back the bend and go back down.
Alright, to the feet. I must say a true barge are kind of depend on the work. So we can't tell you which day we are falling yet. So the help is still needed because you know 100 feet as yet.
Then I go dress after.
Yeah.
I go dress.
Yeah, man, I put piece of board here, son.
No, man. Me like,
Baby?
yeah, I just have space.
I never want to put the granite on it. I want granite to off when I'm done.
Yeah, so granite off the whole
light of granite off.
Smooth it. So I can see the difference already. Can see the difference already.
Like flash it and
yeah.
Come up like and we go and granite it off.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
On Wednesday when you're there. Come up early.
Yeah.
Just go and granite off every part.
So you say you granite off here, so?
That's why I'm
Yeah, the whole line.
The whole here, so? Okay.
So let's get the granite stand, you see? But Wednesday I come. You can come.
Right road. I got it right road.
Okay.
All of them will flash off. Wednesday I come, I could have come go and granite them off.
Yeah.
I threw me there on the road. Wednesday day I kind of breaking.
Yeah.
So I could have come in and fall in. Go and do this.
You charge it?
Yeah, man.
So,
yeah, granite to the cement. Line it up for Wednesday. Go on.
Granite off.
It's a flashing on my line. That's the risk.
The risk, yeah.
And you can go and granite it off.
Yes, guys, as you can see, the dad is trying his best, but he's not 100% fit as yet to try to do what he wants to do, but he also have to think about getting rest as well too. As you can see, him saying being weak from morning, he might try, you know, him work, him stop to show you say he's not fully fit as yet, you know. So prefect come give us straight next week Wednesday, because remember say prefect is on the road as well, you know. I said most of the members they're on the road doing them work, the road, so whenever them can get a time, to come to just come fill in to help out, you know, the dad to get the things out the way. You know, because you can see him gonna need the help for sure, you know. So that's how we leave all the painting for the last.
Yeah man,
and the whole will come out with us.
The whole we are going to
come on and just take on the painting one day.
That's Wednesday, just get the granite in. We come up here early, like how we would have come up.
Yeah.
Let's go and run out.
Yeah.
And done flash out. That's you can see the beauty.
Yeah.
The whole place, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a finish up the little part.
I do, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Granite in it look more nice.
Yeah, it has smooth. Yeah, smooth and nice how the granite.
Let's start it one.
I like your material like them right now. You can just scrape for them part and smooth off.
Yeah. Me say me want cast or back up the socket when me done.
Yeah,
Cast it off.
like them, yeah. Yeah, now you can just
Cast off, yeah, so.
yeah, make it look official. That means when it's granite, the rain fall.
Yeah.
No splash.
There no splash. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, cast it off. When I say someone put the gravel up there, dirt up there, I'm going to try some gravel down, yeah.
I try my best, you know? Try my best. Let me go take a look at my pine. See what the pine's doing. If it started. Well, the pine is getting so big and heavy. It's leaning on one side now. The tree can't manage it. It's literally leaning on one side. I don't see any color start to change as yet, but waiting for that to start happen. Waiting. Waiting for that. Yes guys, as I say, I just got a donation to come drop off for the dad as well too. So we're gonna definitely try to come give him back a strength, you know, because it's hard for him to cope doing this alone. You know, as you can see, he's struggling, you know, because obviously he just come out of the hospital the other day, so he's not fully fit or thinking he is, but he might try to do stuff. But as you can see, it's taking a toll seeing him because him say the reaction is feeling weak, you know. So as I say, still need to feed him body, you know, try to get him the substance that the body need as well too, you know, to try to help himself also, you know. So he need to build up back an instructor again to can really do this work, because you know doing this labor work is not easy, you know. It's not easy doing this type of work, because it's hard labor, you know, hard. So it's a good thing we kind of help get the pit out the way as well too, because if you never get the pit out the way, him alone couldn't really do that, because the pit it can take more than my pedal, you know. Our work experience, what we see happen, the pit that take so much. Where go on? Yeah?
I get a roast this morning.
You get a roast?
Yeah.
Breadfruit?
No. I go clean my house, so just end up the popping come the same. I use the money, I get 2 days for work. So I use the money there and buy some stuff to sell. So tomorrow, but I just put look up in the stall there and put up the rest size and bag them.
Okay.
Biscuit.
Yeah.
Bedroom biscuit.
That's good. Get a little roast to go on do there. For the time being. You can help out. I wish that she do. Kitty for another snacks. I got pay for it. Tara, you have money, I pay for it.
Buy some bag juice car. Actually, I'm freeze them.
The bag juice them?
Yeah, just freeze in my fridge. So I go down the river and I can just put them out. But Cranberry we walk and sell them.
Yeah.
Just want to put them out from them we sell off. Come here. You. Take one of them now. Give me the one now. So two here one.
Can't get two. Take one.
Here, actually, I tell her she should share.
Tara.
Anytime she get, she take one, she will give them one. Come.
Tara, behave. You only can get one, Tara. Tara, stop it.
Seriously, no? Me, you go five. You go five. Never like that. Come. You take one and I will take two of them. Stop it. Stop. Here. Come to me.
Tara, you only can get one. Stop it.
Yeah, I get slapped. You know, some get some of the fake Esther.
Hold on.
Some passion.
What Esther not there, Jamaica?
You can put them in fire. You can make them. You don't make juice with them or you don't eat them.
Yeah, that's the time enough sometime. I know passion need more preparation. You know, me and Tara not gonna be friends anymore. More passion. I wonder if our chef can make juice. I watch if we're gonna make juice.
You have to ear. You have to ear. So if I can't cry, I make it ear.
Tara? 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 Tara, me and a friend. Don't get her, I should cry.
I have to have more.
Don't get her anymore. Look here.
Me go in if me go river here.
Yeah, go on, River, go on. No, sir. No, sir. Tara want 2 packet of biscuit and she only can get 1 and 2. Her mother take her 1. Alone balling. No, sir.
But you can't spoil them.
You can't spoil them. Can't
Use
spoil
a
them.
new generation and spoil them.
Yeah.
If she lucky, she get 1.
Watch out.
Watch out. Now get slap up there.
Hey, you know my time growing up I could never do that, you know. Me that get the board, me that get my biscuit taken away and not get none at all, and then now I have to stop my eyes at the same time. Yeah. No, then my time mad. Mommy now make that go on at all. I was my father. Give me your biscuit. But going to the house. Yeah. Tap your eyes. I get legs on top of it and I have to hold that. You know? But it's fair enough. Her mother, she have 2 biscuits and her mother said, no, take 1. You know. Yeah. And so my daughter, I saw me have to deal with her as well too, man. One time she young and she want anything.
Yeah.
I make she cry. Because baby weakness that, you know.
Yeah.
When them cry, make you feel sorry for them.
Yeah.
Like I say, oh. Yeah, man, my daughter, she cry, man. When she want thing and she don't get it far away, but make she cry. And the stop that I watch her cry, she must stop.
Yeah.
Sometimes she just cry herself to sleep.
Yeah.
You know, of course. Cry themselves to sleep, boy. Baby genius, them, you know, them smart, you know. Kids know, say, yo, when they make this noise, the parents will surrender. Once they surrender, we win. Yeah. You ever watch a cartoon named Boss Baby?
Boss Baby, me watch Baby G.
Yeah. And Boss Baby knows, say, yo, when you cry, that's the weakness.
Yeah.
You know, so when they don't get it, just cry. Trust me. When they start crying, they say, alright, here, we on. You want tea? You want this? Everything.
Boss baby, I know with a little short dwarf, man.
No, yeah, one could ball it baby like Stewie. Look like Stewie.
Oh.
Boss baby's a CIA himself, you know.
Yeah.
I'll be able genius so much at as well too. Yeah. Yeah, stay there. I have mind with them things.
When them are in where I say no, like them big man. And them are show how him act and thing. And when them stand up and they baby genius attack, it's a charm of watching.
Yeah, man. Cheers. Catch the edge. So you eat nothing substantial from morning? You eat anything substantial from morning? Like how you put in and work, yeah?
No, yeah, me eat something from morning, man.
So you have to eat something strong, you know, for the body, for them things, you know.
I need to have, man. I need to drink.
As well, too, and a whole heap of soup.
Enough soup and porridge and a whole heap of food.
Yeah, man.
I need the rice right now.
Some nice. Yeah.
Until they be the fast, you know. Soup.
Yeah, man.
Soup and porridge, that you know.
Palm meal porridge.
Plantain with palm meal.
Blend up some plantain.
Soup time, man. Whole heap of iron that man.
Well, Kenisha give me some passion for Esther, you know, they are yet to get them, and then I can't put on for so long. Make some juice. Oh, chef, we're gonna make some juice with these. Oh, chef, we're gonna make some juice. Or if I don't know if I'm gonna get the time, because listen guys, my timing sometime, I'm telling you, left, reach home, edit hours, wake up, finish, do what I have to finish, edit, get ready for the road, gone again. It's like non-stop. So the time I beat me myself as well, you know. So sometimes I could make some quick smoothies, chewing one thing at a time, brush, one blend and I'm out. Alright, charge, if you have a donation, I'll give you as well too, so. I'll give that donation here. People go on and them passion and fit me there. Alright, charge. So we have Trini from New Jersey, you know, send $15,000 a year for you. From Trini in New Jersey.
Trini from New Jersey.
Yeah.
Only for thanks and blessing, man. Only for honor for it, man. Only for thanks, man. And more blessing, you know?
Yeah, so count it, so it's 15,000. Yeah, from Trini.
Yeah, Trini, give thanks again, man. Only for thanks, man.
Yeah. Alright then, so we give thanks. So big up yourself, Trini. You know, we thank you so much, you know, either way. You know, Trini from New Jersey, big up yourself, Trini. We thank you so much for your blessing to blessing the Father. You know, because we said the blessing is needed, you know, I will give thanks so much. You know, you can see Daddy I put in the work, you know, the thing goes already. So the kids them down by the river enjoy themselves, you know, for them daily dose of medicine that in the river, you know, and we just go and pass through and make sure say everything is well. You know, so we give thanks. We give thanks. That is that, man. So Chachi, you know it goes already, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. When is the general?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Let's get 2 bags of cement and 3 bags of organic sand. You can put in a whole heap of earth with that. You see?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Because the father can't grind, so Tony go and grind it.
Outside setting up that mean when they come no more flushing out for going and just granite in here.
Yeah. It's a good look. So
if it was stone, you have to try and last it out and try and set it back away. Because it was stone wall and it never straight, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, it can look good now. When they granite now, it can look great. In a building, I finish
that time, just another time thing, man. I man don't even know what's the hardest part I work that thing, I finish it.
Get enough, I have to make sure everything finish.
Finish clean that place and imitate. That's the blue shirt they too. That shit way. Put in a rubbish bag. Pay never see it. That's the one. They get one.
yeah, so me and Tyra not friend anymore. Oh, I throw your throat in my hand. You throw it like you know what, give me none. Eh? And take it back. Go quick, you take it back. Yeah, take back that too. You take back everything, all the crumbs. Yeah, take back all the crumbs. I pick up my general. Yes. You see me?
Okay, yeah, you see them.
So the river want clean out a lot of leaves. See the leaf them? Nana? See the leaf? And we clean out leaf them out of the water. No, you're not for bust that. Not for bust that one. I can't stay.
Just swim them out.
So you can see the leaves them coming out. See them? Look. Here leaves. So those are the leaves that they stuck under the bottom.
Yeah, what's the food?
Which part?
Round this up. But round this up, I can't stand up in it. I mean, I say she go straight out.
You can't stand up in the water run so?
Yeah, me have to come so.
Eh?
Now you go to the look now. I did one day too. I can't touch the water.
The pool over there right there, so?
Yeah, so round this up.
I said that's what deep?
Yeah, she swim go straight out. You straight and bury them there. And I say, you know me go do me make her live in swim round there. So I say me make Cranberry whole hour. I'm going to swim around. I say, I could even believe me baby and swim past them and swim round them. And I go there in all this something that deep part. And she don't normally hold there. She don't normally sit down round there and watch you swim.
Oh.
When you see that she go take a dip. Surprised me yesterday. But because I don't go around it, when I go around it, don't go around it.
Yeah.
But when I go around there, I follow them. My brother also swim, like literally over swim. You know how I make me down the sun when the muddy below. Them time back. Me I say, no man, come here anywhere, me baby. When you be around there, no man let me go. Don't know for paddle, don't know for float, don't know for swim. I say, no man. I'm not gonna say, it's just destiny that I find my way back up here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you, every day I'm just come a river and to start swimming. And best believe it, every time I'm baby them. When we come in the river, it's like them giant the river itself. So them move. So just say quick, them swim. Mommy, look here. Here. No, you the ball. Eh? No, you the ball.
Yeah, I'm tell them just change. She just change when they come in now. Our clothes just change. Eh? Yeah, the water. What? Food, everything. Yeah. So, and Coco got the teeth one.
What Coco there? Coco? Allah here.
Coco the teeth one.
What? Alright, snap, so what to sell? I said Coco teeth. We need to get some money. I go somebody. I said I give them food and that's the thing. I'm just give them food. So I'm coming off a room and end up buy a food. I'm give them meat. So I'm not going to eat none, but say me I come bring it, come straight, come give them. Oh, so why you never bring Harry? Because she has to get her sensitive by tomorrow I'm going to be here. So there tomorrow. Give me the time I make it go.
Yeah? Yeah. Boy, you know the water, especially Coco.
Listen, we are coming up here to in the pool. My Cranberry, sugar cream with it yesterday, we said I can't stop all the pool. I will never go for Ganton.
That's a little plane and stand and here.
Please. Uncle. Why Rasta man? It's him out there so and I said, Sikina down tell him. Yeah, I tell Kina for you and I'm sitting and talk to me again because I love it too much. Some say can I tell him? I say, I'm gonna talk to everybody.
Oh, you chat to everybody.
Oh, and for them
you chat to everybody.
They're not me yard.
God. Too friendly, chat to everybody.
Cranberry, you have to top of everybody.
Exactly. A Lababerry she should have named.
Me say, look man them telling me for a great nana. You know key they remember day when they say I go bring out and I go do here. Look man them tell me they want to stay. Why they want to stay?
Them people say love talk.
No, me are the better thing girl. Remember that.
She love talk.
No. I look at that. No, look now. I'm keen to bring me in the yard. You can't see people them up. The big one, box come. I said my birthday girl. Why can't I bring you out again? What? You want to fall on the plate? You can't who you bring a devil.
No.
What? You want to fall, daddy? You want ice cream?
Ice cream, you know I get my ice cream.
What? Alright? Yes, he done now. And look at them say they want ice cream too.
I said no about fire truck come on there, no?
Where?
So
over the top of beef them this up.
Yeah.
One big fire cage.
Eh?
Yeah.
And there's a
there people are somewhere need the airplane.
A port, I want to leave them
the water.
Oh.
But them get the water from.
Oh.
From one big one I do a money. From my
they put in the fire.
Oh, I like that.
They don't go to.
We go to the road to Marley.
So you go down the road to see
Of them come, they can't hear them out. They can't let it come. I'm saying, come one look. And then say, one. Now, extra man in the airplane and go over the.
See them the pipe where you see a pump that you know.
Oh, you know, so they call the rock all the time.
Yeah, it's a pump.
Then the airplane, if you
Go
walk
all the way up the hill.
someone and the outside to the eye.
So in upper them places and supposed to out of water, you don't go and have a pump and they'll pump the water. Man have a pump. There's a pump literally in the water right there. So something like that. Something go on. Yeah, something like that the father go on as well too. Send the water because remember them I'm running the water up here so. Yeah, so to use them bathroom and thing, I guess I'm gonna need a pump. Yeah. Yes, so I guess let me show you the pump. See, there's the pump, and they're just pumping water from the river. All the way up the hill. Go right through there, go up there. And it's on as well, too. It's on pumping. So there's something like that your dad are gonna need, you know, to get some water to go up his side. He's gonna need that. It's coming over already.
Yeah, man.
Smooth, man. Oh yeah, perfect. Movements of job people. Ken, make a move. Yeah, later. Some more leaf left, but. Eh? Yeah. You must wash off your ankle. You may have to wash your ankle. Yeah, wash the ankle. Yeah. Wash out the ankle.
Come, Daddy.
Alright, unnecessary. I saw an article today. No, I can't understand the ministry. Preventing persons from bleaching their skin from doing surgery because it kind of harm. It can be very harmful to your health. Alright? So think about what might happen if you need a surgery. If you need a surgery done, you might not be able to do it. Alright? A surgery that might be able to save your life. Just because you're bleaching your skin, you might not be able to get that surgery done. Think about these things. Alright? Think about your future. Think about your family who wants to.
Through them always a swim. Them always want something to eat. Cause the water got dig out them belly.
You know, man, they say sea water.
Eh?
There's water for swimming now. More than
Sea water, yeah.
River water don't really make you hungry, you know. Not in Senegal.
Sea water worse.
Yeah.
Sea water dig out them belly.
Say, when you got see, when you don't swim, then time you have to eat. Don't go back in the water there.
Yeah, so I take out the food.
Anything, you go it.
Take out the food. Oh boy. Yes guys, you know, we're going to edit now. It's that time to edit in.
Can you get a song first?
Yeah, give me a song.
If you try, you must make it. If you try, you must believe. When you believe, everything will come. When you believe, everything you will see.
Sure. Yeah, sure. You know, with the voice. I love this tree right here on the wall. Perfect. You take one of the root one. You pick one of the root.
How can I see that?
And them, these one them grow on the wall. I don't know the name of it, but these one they decorate the walls like this. The whole wall.
When it go up on the wall, they can trim it.
Mm-hmm.
Make it look
Nice.
Yeah, man.
You can ask your subscribers what name.
Yeah. I'm going to tell me, man. You tell me the name of that, right, guys? So give me the name of this tree that not always on the wall. You know, so tell me. High five.
Shake your locks.
Alright, then bye-bye.
Alright, later.
Peace.
Yeah. Later.
Bye, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Yeah. Yeah, man, just plant that one there now.
I got try more. You know, produce no maca.
No.
What kind of bush that?
Good question.
don't know the name of it. I the one who grew up on the wall.
Run pan wall.
Oh, okay, so I want if you run past on the wall.
Yeah.
We'll try to get the root over the root, then they go on and plant or something.
So passion in our work. Passion out.
Yeah, wow. You can make passion juice.
Yeah, man, when you can use it, you clean.
Yeah, see there.
Yeah.
Use it fine. Eh? Yeah. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.